When you spot a license plate adorned with the letters FP on the side, many wonder what those two little letters signify. Well, here's the deal. FP typically stands for fleet plate, and it has a very specific purpose. It imagines seeing a car and not realizing it belongs to a large business or government organization. That's why these plates exist. It's not uncommon to see these fleet plates on a variety of vehicles ranging from rental cars to commercial trucks. Companies often use them to signify vehicles that are part of a larger fleet. Why does this matter, you ask? Fleet plates can save time and money for businesses managing large numbers of vehicles. So how does this special plate benefit businesses? Mainly through simplified registration and sometimes reduced fees. In some states with fleet programs, registering a dozen or even hundreds of vehicles becomes less of a hassle. But there's more. Some states offer special maintenance and tracking services specifically for fleet owners. But wait, there's a twist. Not all states use FP for fleet vehicles. So you'll mostly find this designation pertinent where these plates are standard. Fleet vehicle licensing is often overlooked by everyday drivers. But delve deeper and you'll realize it's a microcosm of efficiency in terms of organizational logistics. Now, let's bust a myth. And not to mean FP doesn't mean free parking or some sort of elite status. Seeing the letters can confuse those who might assume parking privileges come attached, but don't expect any VIP treatment. Spoiler, parking tickets don't discriminate against fleet plates. Many people think that FP stands for something more mysterious, but that's like assuming a secret society is behind every oddity. Trust me, it's everyday bureaucracy at its finest.
And fleet management is about practicality, not intrigue.
Exploring further, you'll notice that fleet plates can be a company's secret tool for freeing themselves from the painstaking details of single vehicle registration. A fleet program can lead to enhanced operational efficiencies, a business's dream, right? Looking at the stats, fleet vehicles in the U number in the millions. This isn't just a niche market, but a significant segment of the automotive industry. So those FP letters might soon have you noticing the vast number of fleet cars on the highways around you. Indeed, seeing FP on a license plate isn't exclusive, but a reminder of a world where businesses capitalize on optimized operations. Drivers are out there working, transporting goods or shoveling passengers where they need to go. It all ties back to efficiency. And so might you be curious why more personal vehicles don't employ this system? Fleet plates involve agreements and criteria that are particularly favorable to commercial entities. Joe Public won't see the same advantages due to lower vehicle count and different logistics needs. If you ever find yourself behind the wheel of a rental car, congratulations, you're probably driving a fleet vehicle. These cars make up a substantial part of the fleet industry. It's a fascinating undercurrent of everyday transport that people rarely stop to think about. And each time you see FP, view it as a nod to logistics ingenuity, sparking a newfound appreciation for how such a small designation fuels the movement of goods and people. It's about recognizing the silent efficiency that quietly underpins our bustling world